Guide to Establishing a Representative Office (RO) in Vietnam for Foreign Investors. 1. Requirements for establishing a RO. The foreign investor must be registered and operate in a country with a treaty agreement with Vietnam or be officially recognized. The investor has been operational for at least 1 year. Their incorporation certificate or equivalent document remains valid for at least 1 year after application submission. The scope of the RO must align with Vietnam's international commitments. If it doesn't, or if the investor's country lacks a treaty with Vietnam, approval from relevant Vietnamese ministries is required. 2. Application process. If eligible, foreign investors must prepare the following documents to apply for the establishment license of the RO, which include an application form provided by the Ministry of Industry and Trade, copies of the foreign investor's incorporation certificate, an appointment letter for the chief of the RO, financial documents proving the investor's operation, such as audited financial statements or tax certifications, identification documents of the chief of the RO, proof of office location of the RO, such as an office lease agreement. The incorporation certificate must be notarized and legalized by the Vietnamese embassy in the investor's country. Others must be translated into Vietnamese and notarized. 3. Application submission procedures. Once the dossier is prepared, the investor submits it to the licensing authority. The authority reviews it within 3 working days and requests additional information if needed. Within 7 working days of receiving a complete dossier, the authority will either grant or deny the establishment license. If further review is needed, the relevant authorities provide guidance within 5 days, after which a final decision is made. 4. Case of ineligibility for an establishment license. The investor fails to meet eligibility requirements. The investor had a previous license revoked within the past 2 years. The establishment of the RO could affect national security, social order, or public health of Vietnam. 5. Post-license requirements. Register for a tax identification number, TIN. Making a seal. Submit an annual operational report by January 30th and comply with other reporting requirements set by regulatory authorities. For those who would like to set up a representative office in Vietnam, please contact ENT Law LLC at info@entlaw.com.vn for detailed guidance. You may visit our website at www.entlaw.com.vn for further information.